Okay, welcome back to Morrocco Method, where natural things happen. I'm Anthony Morrocco, founder, creator of Morrocco Method Hair Care, where luxurious hair happens. 2024 is our year of luxurious hair. So this question is coming in from Regina of New York City. So Regina is asking, how can I make my hair grow faster? Great question. All right, so we have plenty of ammo to give you to pull the trigger, get your hair to grow really fast. First of all, cutting the hair in the lunar calendar definitely will speed up hair growth. So go into lengthening, you can go into root work, and you can also go into strengthening. So those three elements. For long hair, I strongly suggest definitely cutting the hair once a season, even if you cut it off just a little bit, because when you cut off the ends on that blunt snip cutting, you're sealing the ends off, sending shocks to the roots to grow faster, stronger hair. Also, I encourage everyone for brushing and scalp massaging. So watch our videos, go to Morrocco Method, YouTube. Your videos will show you to bend over. So that's getting nape exposed, and then brushing from the nape, getting all that sebaceous oil into the brush and brushing it down into the ends of the hair. Stay there for your few minutes, then slowly come up. Now the brush is full of your natural oil, your sebum. Start brushing that into the hairline. That's where the least amount of oil is. And you do that 3 rounds. Bend over, brush, stand up and brush. Then spend some time there, relax and enjoy it. And then of course, all natural hair care products. Morrocco Method to the rescue. We have all the shampoos, conditioners, styling products. Henna is going to help you grow faster, stronger, healthier hair. And cycling. Cycling is a very big trend right now, but I've been recommending people to alternate their shampoos for over 50 years. So I started back in the 1960s with alternate all of your shampoos, all your conditioners, and today that's coming up. That'll definitely get your hair growing really fast, strong and healthy. Enjoy, be well. Okay, the next question is coming in from Adela. I am so grateful to have discovered your wonderful hair care products several years ago. Yeah, thank you. I have found that hair cutting according to the moon cycles have made such a difference. Does cutting fingernails according to moon cycles have a similar effect? The answer, Adela, is definitely yes. So when you're cutting your fingernails, definitely use our lunar calendar for strengthening, root work, beautifying. So those 3 elements would really be grateful and happy for your nails to look really spectacular. Good question. Thank you for bringing that in to our Q&A. All right, another question coming in is from Alyssa. Her question is, I have followed your hair cutting system for the last 15 years, and it's based on the cycle of the moon. I'm wondering why no one's following the full moon cutting method any longer. I definitely encourage everyone to cut during the full moon cycle. So that's my priority, that's my choice. When I choose beautifying, strengthening, lengthening, thickening, root work, I cut my hair every month. I snip off the ends. But I definitely follow the full moon cycles when I can, because that's the strongest you're going to get. And then also in the equinox and the solstice dates are very powerful also. Melissa's saying most other sites show cutting on the new moon. New moon is when the moon is basically waning. It's pretty weak actually. And the full moon is going into waxing, which is the strongest energy. So definitely, yes. I encourage everyone to use the full moon cutting dates when possible. Also, Melissa's saying, you're the expert on cutting hair for sure. I'm looking for clarity as my ancestors always cut their hair to increase volume and length on full moons. Agreed. I agree with your ancestors. Yes, all of our ancestors really had a lot of common sense. They've been doing this for thousands of years, actually. I go back to using different patterns with the Egyptians. It goes back 7,500 years of following lunar cycles for hair cutting. Full moon, really powerful. We also have another question coming up. I color my roots on beautifying dates. Should I be doing it also on root work days. Yes, definitely. So coloring hair on beautifying dates, very good. And also root work. So those two elements would be the best when you're coloring. And of course, Morocco Method strongly suggests using our henna. 100% natural plant-based, no additives, nothing chemical put into our hennas, 100% natural, the best henna we can get. Let's see, this question is coming in from Michelle. I use Morocco Method shampoos on my hair and I am very satisfied with them. My question is, can I use these shampoos on my wigs? Yes, of course, very good. I wear synthetic wigs daily for personal reasons and do not like the expensive chemical-laden wig shampoos on the market. I agree with that. We don't want chemical shampoos on the wigs or on our heads. So good for you, Michelle. So I just use water, but I need something more to revitalize the wig fibers. So yes, Morocco Method, just alternate the shampoos on your wigs. You can also condition them with our conditioners. And I just want to bring up the fact that we use green tea as a surfactant in our cleansing agent. China has used that for thousands of years for cleaning out and washing their very fine silk. That was one of the surfactants that we use, plus we use blood of the dragon and other natural surfactants. So there's no foaming, no sulfuric acid, all 100% natural. Use in good health. Be well. They're also saying, thank you for helping everyone who follows your advice. You are an expert and master when it comes to healthy, beautiful hair. Well, thank you also. I appreciate those comments. And let's make our hair luxurious, healthy, and strong.